Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar hovered near a 5-month low against the euro as worries about the economic fallout from US President Donald Trump's protectionist trade policies kept investors cautious on the dollar. US retail sales rebounded marginally in February as consumers pulled back on discretionary spending, reinforcing the growing uncertainty over the economy against the backdrop of tariffs and mass firings of federal government workers. US stocks rallied for a second straight session as investors sought bargains after the Nasdaq and S&P 500 fell for 4 straight weeks and assessed the latest economic data to gauge the impact of the Trump administration's policies.
The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. Gold prices edged higher in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.